Yes, dear students of 10th standard, now we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of ethanoic acid. Already we learned the manufacture of ethanoic acid and the chemical formula C2H4O2, and its structure can be written CH3COOH and in expanded form. And the manufacture of ethanoic acid is done by using the ethanol by the oxidation of ethanol in presence of potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. Ethanoic acid is obtained along with water. Then now we are going to study about the chemical properties. There are four chemical properties of ethanoic acid. First one, reaction with metal. Normally metal react with acid, whether it is hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Metals react with acid, metallic salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. Suppose sodium react with hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and liberation of hydrogen. Similarly here, zinc and sodium react with 2 moles of ethanoic acid to give the salt of sodium ethonate, CH3COONA, that is sodium ethonate, or ethonate of zinc with the liberation of hydrogen gas is obtained. Then the second reaction reacts with the carbonate or bicarbonate. So carbonate formula CO3, bicarbonate HCO3, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3. Sodium carbonate also called commercially, that is washing soda. Washing soda formula sodium carbonate, and baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. And both the sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate contain carbonate. So when this carbonate substance react with acid, acidic nature substance, automatically salt and liberation of carbon dioxide and water are formed. So here the first reaction, 2 moles of carboxylic acid, that is ethanoic acid, react with 1 mole of sodium carbonate, 2 moles of sodium ethonate and carbon dioxide gas along with the water. The same products are obtained when ethanoic acid react with 1 mole of sodium bicarbonate, sodium ethonate, liberation of carbon dioxide and water are possible. Now next reaction with base. So it is a carboxylic acid. It is an acid. So whenever acid react with the base, salt and water are formed. Already learned in the previous chapter. The reaction is called neutralization reaction. That is called a neutralization reaction. Also this is another type of displacement reaction in which acid react with the base to form salt and water. That is called a neutralization reaction. And here ethanoic acid react with the sodium hydroxide. Ethanoic acid react with sodium hydroxide, sodium ethonate and water are formed. Sodium ethonate and water are formed. Then next one, see decarboxylation, removal of carbon dioxide. Removal of carbon dioxide from a molecule of sodium ethonate, salt of ethanoic acid, that is called sodium ethonate. This reaction takes place in presence of soda lime. Soda lime means 3 parts of sodium hydroxide along with 1 part of calcium oxide, that is in the ratio of 3:1. The ratio of 3:1, sodium hydroxide with calcium oxide, that is called soda lime. So in presence of soda lime, that sodium ethonate gives methane gas and sodium carbonate. Methane gas and sodium carbonate. Then uses of ethanoic acid, normally acetic acid in the low concentration, it is used as food additive, used in the pickles, the manufacture of pickles and preservation of pickles and flavoring agents. Also It is used in the manufacture of plastic, preparation of dyes, pigments, coloring agents, paints, also in the